A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You did know say God set we free from the law? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul letter to the Roman them chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 6. Brother and sister, I know say when we understand what I'm about to say, because all of you know the law. You know say the law have power over people for them whole life. As long as them alive, them have to follow the law. Let me show you what I mean. The law says, if a woman married, as long as her husband still alive, she have to turn with him. But if her husband dead, the law says she free. So then, if a woman go married one another man when her husband still alive, she'll live in a sin because she broke the law. But if her husband dead, she free to go married again. She would not broke no law. Brother and sister, as same so it go with uno when it come to the law. When Jesus did dead, I like uno did dead with him. So the law now no power over uno. God make Jesus come back alive, and now we belong to him. We belong to Jesus, and sake of that, we are serve God when we live right. One time, we did live how we want to live. We did make our body control we. This thing them where we body did well want to do, did a cause we for sin. And true, we didn't know God law. We start to sin more and more. With all of the wrongs in them, where we did do. Our uncle dead, we did go dead. But now, God free we from the law. The law did have we like prisoner. But cause we did dead, we are no prisoner no more. Now we serve God. Now when we follow the law, that are the old way. Now we serve him one new way. We serve him when we live how God's Spirit say we feel live. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.